Hello traders, today is the 31st Jan 2025. Today is the last trading day of the week and the last trading day of the month. We had an amazing volatility and I always advise to my traders, if you have a positive portfolio of the month, stay positive. Don't trade aggressively, trade wisely. So we had amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you how we help our traders through live intraday analysis. Let's look at the analysis now. All right, if you look at the pound dollar, and if you are following my analysis on the YouTube, so you can see here yesterday, let me make it slightly bigger here. As mentioned yesterday to my trader, that price nicely broken. We had a long trade here. So we were expecting, let's see the price action. If the price is going to break, then give us the continuation. We were looking this area. So technically, we were expecting some pullback. So you can see a very strong bearish candle, beautiful short trade even after the price broken. And if you look ahead, the price nicely come back and retest this level. So yesterday with the New York session, we had a beautiful counter short trade here. Even in the Asian session, we had a nice, beautiful short trade here. And price broken this low, and we have taken short trade here again, and we had a nice, beautiful short trade. We just banked few PPs as soon as the price hit to the previous low level. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries through intraday and help our traders to grab some nice pips. So if you look at the pound dollar, and you can see here yesterday, let me go through recap. We had this long trade here once the price developed double top here at this resistance level. So after that, we had a nice, beautiful counter short trade opportunity. You can see here, price could not maintain. The safest way for us to look at that, if the price is going to break and give us the confirmation. We had a beautiful, as explained, keep taking a pullbacks, beautiful short trade as soon as the price develop low high, as that's what I explained my trader. Let's consider banking some profit and let's see the price develop another structure. So we had this beautiful long trade here, and afterwards you can see a price develop a very strong bearish candle, and we had another beautiful trade after that, which is a pretty straightforward. As explained, look for another pullback. We're only going to take a long trade here, which is we already explained to trader, look for breakout, and if we don't see any retest, don't jump into it. So you can see here the price trying to break but refuse. As you can see here, even in through live intra audio commentary and plus through live analysis, we explained price nicely broken and retest give us the confirmation. Take a short trade here, bank amazing profit on pound dollar. That was the beautiful short trade here, and afterwards we also had it another beautiful short trade, and this is the at the New York session, which is a pretty straightforward price develop a symmetry triangle pattern, and we were expecting a short psychologically, because if you look at, we have this impulsive, we have this correction, and price nicely respected and beautiful breakout short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support level, we advise consider tightening a stop loss or consider banking few pips. That was a beautiful short trade. We had a pound dollar. All right, let's look at the pound yen, guys. So pound yen, we had a nice, beautiful long trade here yesterday. As we can see here, the price nicely respected. As soon as the price respected the support level, we had a nice, beautiful long trade here, and we were expecting some price action at this level, which is a pretty straightforward. You can see here, price broke on this low. We were expecting the short trade here, and we also had a short trade here at the New York session. So mainly we had a long trade here until this morning, and afterwards we also had a short trade here. This is what we're expecting here. So let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries in intraday. And if you look at pound yen, and we had a quite analysis. So if you look ahead, this is the analysis we did. Price develop another structure, and we were looking for this breakout. And as you can see here, the price was at the major support level in 4 hour. Price nicely broken, and afterward, as explained my trader, just keep enjoying it pullback. Even in a New York European Open, we say keep taking a pullback. So once the price hit to the major resistance level in 4 hour, and in intraday, we explain it's time to consider banking some pips when the price hit at this level. So that was a beautiful long trade we had it. And then afterwards, we were expecting a short trade, but we need some pattern structure in intraday, which is you can see here, the price refused to break above the previous high. And that was a beautiful breakout. And afterwards, beautiful pullback short trade, squeeze nice juicy pips. And afterwards, uh, we had it, the price nicely hit this level. We have this beautiful long trade here at this level. You can see here price nicely reverse up. We had a long trade here. We also had a short trade here. And how we analyze the entries. So let me explain to you here. So this is the price because we were expecting some price reaction at the major support level. Price developed low high, broke on the previous high, as explained. Consider banking some pips, and let's wait for the price development of the structure. So that was a beautiful. And today is the last trading day of the month and the week. We had a nice volatility. So that was a beautiful long trade here. We also had another beautiful long trade here. That's the pretty straightforward. You can see here the price develop a symmetry triangle pattern. Even though based on the price action, if you look at here, price nicely broken this previous high, a recent high, and we were looking a pullback. But as explained, my trader, let the price break the structure. Beautiful, and we have another pullback. Nicely hit to the profit target one more time. Previous high at this level. That's what explained my trader. It's time to consider banking some pips. That was a beautiful long trade here. And afterwards, we also had short trades here once the price hit this level. And that was basically we had the last trade at the New York session today. As you can see here, as explained to my trader, the price action give us the clear direction, high probability of short trade here. If you look at here, this pattern, this is what we look at: the price behavior, structure, and the pattern. These three things is very important for us. So you can see here what happened here. The price developed in head and shoulder pattern. Price could not maintain above this high, and we were looking this breakout. Price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, price nicely retest, give us the confirmation. I say, guys, keep enjoying it. Momentum was bearish, and that was another pullback. You can see here what a beautiful breakout, and give us the confirmation. Hit to the profit target. I say, guys, enjoy the last trade of the day. We had a pound yen, and that was a beautiful short trade on pound yen. All right, so let's look at one more time for sorry or Euro USD. Yes, and if you look at the Euro USD, if you have seen my yesterday analysis, we were looking this breakout, price nicely broken. We had a long trade here, and afterwards price reverse. And if you look at the candlestick pattern, and if you look at this candlestick pattern, we had it beautiful breakout, and after the breakout price reverse. And if you look at this candle, it's covered more than 50% of this candle, and more or less the same exactly pattern of pound dollar. Price broken and come back and retest this level, give us the confirmation, and we had a nice beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, I said, guys, take another short possibility in intraday. We had a nice beautiful short trade here. Even the last trade we had a short trade, we just squeeze nice pips. And I said to my trader, guys, just and don't trade aggressively, but trade wisely. But we had a nice decent trade on pound euro USD too. All right, let me share with you guys. We had it, and this was the trade. We had it a counter short trade. No, this was the just a minute. We had it before that. We had it just a minute. Yeah, yeah. This is the counter trade. We had it in the 4 hour. Once the price hit, we look at, and as explained, and if that's what we explained yesterday at the New York session. You can see around 3 p.m. London time. I say, guys, we look at the price structures, and if you look ahead, the price nicely respected, and we have impulsive, we have this correction. So based on the price action, we were expecting one more push to the downside, which is exactly I mentioned in 4 hour price nicely broken and retest. In intraday, we have this beautiful breakout, and after breakout, we have this pullback, we have this pullback. As soon as the price developed double bottom, as explained, my trade is time to consider banking some pips. That was a beautiful trade. And afterwards, we also had another beautiful short trade here, which is a pretty standard and straightforward. Price nicely broken and retest, give us the confirmation. Beautiful short trade here. And afterwards, we also had another beautiful, short trade here, which is a pretty straightforward, beautiful short trade, guys. So that's it, guys. So and I hope you enjoy all this analysis review. But if you want to see all that analysis in a real time, so most welcome, guys. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice weekend, guys. Until next time, all the best.